Bird and Kip, Episode 82, Movie Night. A crowd was in the park. People were watching a big screen. Bird clapped.
It's movie night in the park.
Bird and Kip sat on a branch. They watched the movie. A spy was driving a fast car.
I love spies,
Kip whispered. The spy got a call.
Hello?
Agent Della,
Someone said.
evil villains have a secret plan.
I'll stop them.
Agent Della said. Agent Della sneaked. She peeked. Suddenly, Agent Della heard footsteps.
Oh no,
Kip whispered.
someone's coming.
Bird said. Agent Della quickly hid. A man walked by. The man didn't see Agent Della.
Phew.
Agent Della said.
Phew.
Kip said. The villain set a trap for Agent Della. She fell into a hole. Agent Della used a rope to escape. Finally, Agent Della caught the villains. Kip grinned.
I want to be a spy.
Bird and Kip, Episode 83, Kip the Spy. Kip peeked out of his den. He looked around. Then he sneaked across the grass. Bird flew over. Kip quickly hid behind a shrub.
Hey, Kip.
Bird said. Shh, Kip said.
Pretend I'm not here.
Bird laughed.
What are you doing? I'm a spy.
Kip said.
I'm looking for villains.
Bird rubbed her chin.
Did you find any? Not yet.
Kip said.
Good luck, Kip.
Bird flew away. Kip sneaked and peeked. Frog was hopping. Duck was swimming. Mouse was eating a flower. Kip sighed.
Oh, nobody has a secret plan. I can't be a spy.
Suddenly, Kip saw something strange. Mr. Crow landed near Squirrel. Psst. Squirrel went closer. Mr. Crow looked around. Then he whispered something to Squirrel.
What is Mr. Crow saying?
Kip thought. Squirrel and Mr. Crow grinned. Then they ran off. Kip gasped.
A secret plan!
Bird and Kip, Episode 84, The secret plan. Squirrel and Mr. Crow had a secret plan. Kip watched them. Mr. Crow and Squirrel wrapped a box.
What is in that box?
Kip thought. Squirrel tied acorns to a string. Kip gasped.
That's a trap. I'll need a rope to escape from it.
Kip hurried home for rope.
Hey, Kip.
Bird said.
I can't talk now.
Kip said.
Mr. Crow and Squirrel have a secret plan. I must stop them.
Bird laughed.
Go check your mail, Kip.
Kip got his mail. He saw a letter from Mr. Crow.
Uh-oh.
Kip gulped.
Mr. Crow knows I'm a spy.
Bird laughed again.
Open it.
Kip read the letter.
It's an invitation,
He said.
Mr. Crow is having a party.
Kip sighed.
Do you know what this means? You're not a spy?
Bird said.
No.
Kip said.
It's party time!
Bird and Kip, Episode 85, Pizza Crusts.
I'm hungry.
Kip said.
Me too.
Bird said.
It's time for lunch.
Bird and Kip went to the boardwalk. People were waiting in a long line.
What's that place?
Kip asked. Bird read the sign.
Mr. Taco.
She said.
It's a new place to eat.
Kip sniffed.
Mr. Taco smells good.
Bird shrugged.
I like pizza crusts. No.
Kip said.
We like pizza crusts. Ha ha.
Bird laughed. Bird and Kip went to the pizza place. The trash can shook. Kip heard a chewing sound.
Someone is in there.
Kip said. Bird flew up and looked in.
Oh. Hi, Squirrel.
Bird said.
Hi, Bird.
Squirrel said. Crumbs fell from his mouth. Bird saw plates, cups, and napkins. She saw other trash. But Bird did not see any pizza crusts.
Squirrel!
Bird said.
You ate all the pizza crusts.
Bird and Kip, Episode 86, Tacos.
Let's eat.
Bird said the next day.
Is it lunchtime?
Kip asked.
No,
Bird said.
but Squirrel ate all the pizza crust yesterday. Let's get to the trash can first today.
Kip giggled.
Okay.
Bird and Kip hurried to the pizza place. Bird looked in the trash can. She gasped. Squirrel, duck, and mouse were eating.
Pizza crusts.
Bird said.
Sorry.
Squirrel burped.
We ate them all.
Bird flew back to Kip. She sighed.
I really wanted tacos.
Kip said.
Huh?
Bird asked.
Let's go to Mr. Taco.
Kip said. Bird shrugged.
Fine.
Bird and Kip went to Mr. Taco. Bird sniffed the trash can.
The tacos smell good.
She said. Bird and Kip ate lots of tacos.
I love tacos.
Bird said later.
Let's go to Mr. Taco tomorrow.
Squirrel was walking by. He rubbed his chin.
Tacos sound yummy.
Bird and Kip, Episode 87, Trash Cans. Bird and Kip walked on the boardwalk.
I can't wait to eat tacos.
Bird said. Lots of people were at Mr. Taco. People threw food scraps in the trash can.
Yum!
Bird said. Bird and Kip looked in the trash can.
Squirrel!
Bird said.
Sorry, guys.
Squirrel said.
There aren't any tacos left.
Bird!
Kip suddenly said.
I see another Mr. Taco trash can.
They hurried over. Bird and Kip looked in the trash can. They saw Mouse. Mouse grinned.
Yummy tacos.
There was one more trash can. But Duck and Frog were already there. Bird sighed.
Oh. Let's go home, Kip. Wait!
Kip said.
Our friends are in the Mr. Taco trash cans.
Bird rolled her eyes.
I know that, Kip.
Kip grinned.
So they are not in
Bird smiled.
the pizza place trash can.
She and Kip hurried over.
Yay!
Bird said.
Pizza crust.
Bird and Kip, Episode 88, Kip's Map. Kip was drawing pictures. He drew himself. Bird laughed.
I love that picture, Kip. It's silly.
Kip grinned.
Thanks, Bird. What are you drawing now?
Bird asked.
It's a map of the park.
Kip said.
It's for my Grandpa Pop. He is coming to visit me. Oh!
Bird said.
I can't wait to meet Pop. But why does he need a map? Pop likes things to be perfect.
Kip said.
This map will show him where to go. See the X's?
Kip asked.
They show places that aren't perfect. Pop won't like those places.
Bird saw an X near the pond.
Pop doesn't like to get wet.
Kip said. Bird saw an X near the playground.
Pop doesn't like to get dirty.
Kip said. Bird laughed.
Pop is a lot different from you, Kip.
Bird and Kip, Episode 89, Kip's Pop.
Hello, Kip.
Pop walked into Kip's den.
Hey, Pop!
Kip said. He gave Pop a hug. Pop saw Kip's silly picture. Pop smiled.
Did you draw that?
Yes, but it's silly.
Kip said. He quickly hid the picture. Later, Kip was cooking.
I'll take a walk.
Pop said.
Take this map.
Kip said.
What are the X's for?
Pop asked.
That one is Squirrel's tree.
Kip said.
Don't go there. Squirrel is too silly. Don't go to that tree.
Kip pointed.
Mr. and Mrs. Crow are loud. And don't go near the pond. It's muddy.
Pop nodded.
Thanks, Kip.
Pop went for a walk. He thought about Kip's picture. He didn't look at the map. Pop saw Frog.
Hello. Ribbit.
Hi, Frog said. Frog hopped. Pop hopped too. Frog landed in mud. Splat! Mud went on Pop.